In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use hotkeys with NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have NinjaTrader hotkeys enabled, your own key combinations assigned for order entry actions, and you'll know exactly how to use them during trading. First, enable hotkeys. In the NinjaTrader Control Center, click Tools, then Options. In the Options window, go to the Trading section. Look for the setting labeled Use Order Entry Hotkeys and check the box. NinjaTrader will display a risk warning because hotkeys can place or modify orders instantly. Read the notice, then acknowledge the warning to continue. This simply confirms you understand that hotkeys will execute commands as soon as you press them. Next, assign your key combinations. Still in the Control Center, open Tools, then select Hotkeys. You'll see categories on the left. Go to the Order Entry category to find common actions such as Buy Market and Close Position. Find the action you want to control with the keyboard. Click in the empty box next to that action to activate it, then press your desired key combination on your keyboard. For example, Ctrl+B for Buy Market. You'll see the combination appear in the box. Repeat this for any other actions you need, like Sell Market, Reverse Position, or Close Position, based on your trading workflow. When you're finished assigning keys, save the changes. Saving locks in the key combinations so they're ready to use the next time you trade. Now, use your hotkeys during trading. Make sure the relevant trading window is active on your screen before you press any hotkey. Click once inside the chart window if you're placing orders from a chart, or click the Super DOM if you're trading from the depth of market. You can also activate whichever order entry panel you normally use. With the correct window active, press your assigned key combination. The command executes instantly. For example, pressing your Buy Market hotkey will send a market buy order immediately. Pressing Close Position will flatten your open position right away. If nothing happens, double-check that the intended window is selected and active, because hotkeys are context-sensitive and only apply to the active panel. At this point, your NinjaTrader hotkeys are enabled, assigned, and working. You've turned on Order Entry hotkeys, set up the exact key combinations you want under Tools and Hotkeys, saved those mappings, and successfully used them by activating the correct trading window and pressing the assigned keys. Your setup is complete and ready for live use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.